My name is Madam Joyce from Educare Tanzania. I'm teaching biology, and today I'll be with you, my student, to discuss our topic, which is very interesting topic, which is found in Form 5. And this topic, it is called the coordination and irritability. So within this coordination and irritability is where now we are going to see the subtopic which is called the sensory receptor. Which is called the sensory receptor. So my student, the sensory receptor, we have already covered about it in a large sense that in the last session we tried to look on the mammalian eye. And thereby, in the mammalian eye, we have seen the photoreception. What is the photoreception? In the presence of rods and cones. Thereafter, we were moving further, seeing the physiology of seeing, how the ability of the eye to see different kinds of object. Tukaangalia pale mechanism yake, and thereby tukaishia pale. So my student, in our today's session, you are warmly welcome. Because here now we are going to start a new thing, and this is mammalian ear. We are going to see the mammalian ear and the receptors which are found within the mammalian ear that help to facilitate its function, that help to perform its functioning properly. So now we are saying that the mammalian ear consists of 3 parts. The mammalian ear consists of 3 parts. The first part here, it is called the outer ear, and the second part, it is the middle ear, and the last part, it is called the inner ear. Sikio la binadamu tunasema kwamba, au sikio la any mammal, inaweza ikawa pig, inaweza ikawa cow, inaweza ikawa dog, inaweza ikawa cat. They are consisting of 3 parts. The first part here, we are saying that the outer ear, sikio la nje. Now the second part, it is called the middle ear, sikio la katikati. We're going to see later on the content which are found in each part of the ear. But now we have to start with the outer structure of the ear. That is the outer ear. The first part of the ear, which is called the outer ear. So now we are saying that the outer ear comprises of the external flap of the skin covered by elastic cartilage called the pinna. So within the outer ear, we have the external flap of a skin covered by elastic cartilage. That elastic cartilage, it is called the pinna. Ile ngozi ya nje kabisa ya sikio. You can even view your fellow here, but that is the elastic cartilage. Inakuwa ni elastic cartilage. Na ile elastic cartilage ndiyo ambayo tunaita pinna. So now the pinna collect the sound waves and direct them into the eardrum or into the ear canal, that is external auditory meatus. So what is the function of this pinna now? The function or the main function of the pinna is to collect the sound waves, thereby to direct it into the ear canal. Or we can call it the external auditory meatus. Kwa maana kwamba ile pinna, how ile cartilage, external flap, it is responsible for taking the sound waves, collecting the sound waves, mawimbi ya sauti kutoka kwenye the outside environment to enter through the ear. So akiingiza ndani ya sikio inapitia kwenye structure ambayo inaitwa ear canal, au we can call it the external auditory meatus. So now also we can say that across the end of the ear canal is the tympanic membrane of the eardrum, which separates the outer ear from the middle ear. So we can say that after the ear canal, or we can say that the extra-auditory meatus is whereby we have a tympanic membrane, or we can call it eardrum. mwishoni kabisa mwa ear canal tuna structure ambayo inaitwa tympanic membrane, or we can call it eardrum, ngoma ya sikio. And this eardrum which separate the outer ear from the middle ear. So the eardrum au ile ngoma ya sikio ndiyo ambayo sasa ina uwezo mkubwa wa kuseparate, kutofautisha kati ya outer ear na middle ear. Remember, we have almost 3 parts of the ear: the outer ear, the middle ear, and the inner ear. So now we are in the middle, we are in the outer ear. Tumesema kwenye outer ear kuna structure mbalimbali. Kuna outer, kuna pinna, pia kuna ear canal. Thereafter, now we have seen that we have the tympanic membrane, or we can call it eardrum, that separate between the middle ear and the outer ear. And also, the opening of the auditory canal is lined with the fine hairs and the glands, which secrete earwax, which is located in the upper wall of the auditory canal. So pia kwenye hile auditory canal au auditory canal tunasema kwamba there is a presence of a fine hairs and glands, which are located on upper part of the auditory canal. And the function of it, we can say that it is to secrete earwax. Inatengeneza ile wax ambayo inapatikana within the ear. Tukisema wax, tunamaanisha kwamba those mucus which are found, they are brown like fluid which are found within our within our ears. So these earwax which are located on the upper part of the ear canal, those glands and the fine hairs which are responsible for secreting the earwax. So now we can say that the earwax guard the ear against the interest of the foreign material such as the dust and microorganisms. So we can say that the presence of the earwax remove any kind of debris or remove any kind of foreign material or microorganism to enter through the ear. The earwax which are found in our ear, we can say that the wax which are found in our ear, it is responsible for removing or to trapping any wastes or dust, any debris that need to enter through the middle ear, so that they are trapped in the structure which is called the ear canal, within the ear wax. So in mainly we can say that the purpose of this earwax is to trap or to prevent microorganisms together with the dust particles to enter through the middle ear. And that is finalize the outer structure of the ear. Also, apart from the outer structure of the ear, we have also the middle ear. We have the middle ear, sikio la katikati. So what are the components which are found within the middle ear? Here, my students, we are saying that in the middle ear, the tympanic membrane begins and ends on a bony wall containing 2 small openings covered by the membrane. So within the middle ear is where now the tympanic membrane ends, or the ear canal ends. Mwishoni mwa ile ear canal. Lakini it is the beginning of the tympanic membrane, and on which now the bony wall contains 2 small openings covered by a membrane. Kwa mwishoni pale ndipo ambapo the ear can, the membrane the bones which are found within the middle ear are bone, zimetokea pale. So now we can say that the 2 openings are over window and this fenestra over window, or we can call it fenestra ovalis, and the round window that is fenestra raunda. So within it we have seen that we have almost 2 bones, 2 small openings covering the membrane of the middle ear. Those two small openings, the first one it is called oval window ambayo inaitwa fenestra ovalis. Lakini the second one we can call it that is the fenestra raunda. The fenestra raunda, it is also found within the structure of the middle ear. Those are the two openings which are found within the middle ear. So my student, let's end here, but in the the second part of this session is whereby we are going to clarify more the middle ear and the function of it and the components which are found within it. So thank you for listening.